Question 1. If the graph of the function f of x equals e raised to the x power is shifted 6 units to the right, what is the equation of the new graph? This whole unit is all about transformations, whether we're going left, right, up, down. Over here, we have the general format of a function. So this is our parent function. And if we take that parent function and we shift it 6 units to the right, this format here tells us exactly what that new equation should look like. I've underlined the x minus h because you can see it points to the transformation rules for the x minus h, the portion of the problem that's inside the exponent. If we see a minus h, we're going to shift to the right. If we see a plus h here, we're going to shift to the left. So right off the bat, we know it's not A, we know it's not B. It's got to involve a number inside the exponent. Well, they just told us if we see a minus sign, we're going to shift to the right. And that's what we want in this problem. We want a shift to the right. So that means it must be e raised to the x minus 6. Would strongly encourage you to check your answer in a calculator. If you have a graphing calculator, and anybody can find one of these online for free, we can go to y equals, and we're going to graph the parent function first. So to graph the parent function, that second division sign, that gives us the e. The raised to button is just above the division sign, and then the x. So graph the parent function so we can get an idea of what the parent function looks like. Looks just like that. We want to take that and shift it 6 units right. So let's graph our answer choice. So second division sign gives us the e raised to x minus 6. We're going to graph it. And we can see here clearly the new graph has been shifted to the right. And we don't really even need to check that it's exactly 6. Just based on the answer choices, we know the other ones are not going to go the right direction. But on a post test or an EOS test, if you're not 100% sure, double check it in the calculator because it's really easy to check.